pull-up video on Twitter? No, that was obviously real. Why are you calling that fake? Okay, so we're getting started. I'm facing a Grunfeld Indian. Well, since I'm tryharding now, I'm playing very serious openings. Here we have a check, which is one of two checks in the position. And generally, when you look at a position, you should look for checks and captures first. So there were no captures, so I looked for a check. I don't think bishop g5 is very good, but it's fine. Did I look at knight takes f7? Wish that had been an option. Educational tryharding? Yeah, exactly. Is there any point to going bishop b5? No. I don't think so. Bishop g4. He's developing normally, but if he doesn't strike in the center soon, these two pawns are going to be giving me a pretty significant positional advantage. Hikaru has 3 times more viewers. Yeah, but he's a professional streamer. You know? As I said before, it's hard to compete. And have you seen my streamer rating? Like, his chess rating is very high, and I think his streamer rating is also very, very high. 95 now is probably good. Let's see. Okay. Takes, queen c8, I go f3, bishop moves, and then I take on e7. Looks pretty good. And here, yeah, you can actually play like this. I go f3, bishop h5, and if g4, he has g5, so his bishop isn't actually trapped. But that's fine. I'll just play positionally instead. Queen a5. Should still have a pretty nice edge. Why did I lose to Notterbeck? We both had we had a queen each, and he would forcibly get another queen, and then he would have had one queen more, and he could have then subsequently checkmated me. So that's how I lost. Okay, I haven't played this in a very good way. Let's go h3 to prevent counterplay. Cheating, getting an extra queen? Yeah. I don't make the rules though. Queen back. Yeah, I was hoping he'd trade the queens. He's actually playing really well now, so maybe I'll have to go back to the promised tryharding. That didn't really happen. I'm hoping that his bishop is a little bit out of the game. So let's bring the king in and just blunder a pawn. Why not? He didn't see that. He could just have taken on d1 and then a2. I would have been in pretty significant trouble. Now I'll trade. He drops the bishop back. He's playing really well. I have no advantage whatsoever. My rating is higher than all of chat's ratings combined. Yeah, it's probably accurate. Thank you for streaming for us, Magnus. We appreciate it. Well, thank you. Okay, let's go a5. Try and fix his pawns. Trying to activate the rooks now, but it's not so easy. Is there any chance I can win with something like rook d1 to d4? Probably not. Okay, I just have to go try to break up his structure then. This is not gonna be easy. No music this time? Nope. Maybe we'll have some music later. If my tournament goes sideways, but for now it's big tryhard mode. Bishop e2 is somewhat weird, but I guess it's fine. Here he has to go like rook c2, bishop d4, and then move the... Okay, let me... No, that doesn't really work. Okay, let's just go bishop d4 then. Setting up e5. Now I can't trade rooks, of course. Then it would be just a blockade and an easy draw. But he doesn't go c5, which he should have. Creating some serious counterplay. Now I should have some chances. I have a little trick here. Oh, bishop c4 is a good move, maybe. Okay, let's go rook f8. I had some tricks there with rook g8 and then rook g5 and later bishop here. But he saw that, unfortunately. Okay. Bishop c4, I can go king e2. Okay, let's go bishop d4. If c5, I'll go bishop here. No, that's not good. It's actually not good at all. He can go b4. Why did I think that would be good? Oh boy, it's not easy. It doesn't look like I'm winning the first game here, which is a bit of a disappointment. Oh, now he's giving me a pawn. Now I got some chances. Got some chances for the old bad game, good result outcome. Check. What's the point of check? Is he panicking somewhat? Okay, let's move the bishop, then go f5. Push. I was hoping he'd blunder his rook somehow. Let's threaten his rook. He didn't see it. Is bishop d3 a draw?